How to fix Amarillo's butt slapper crashing on Steam. So first go to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files button. Wait for this process to finish. Now once this is done, you want to go to the general tab and then under launch options you want to type -DX11. You can also try -D3D11 if the first one does not work for you. And then you can close out of this window, and next you will need to open up the GPU application. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app, and then go to the drivers section. Make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. You can also try to reinstall it if you have the latest one. Next, you want to open up your browser and search for Redist, and then click on the first link, and then scroll down to this table and make sure to download both of these, the 86 and the 64 versions, and install them in your computer. Next, you will need to restart your computer and just open up Steam and launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.